don't freak out. So I'm at Target. I'm gonna run in, get some candles, some cleaning supplies. Hopefully I'm not gonna be too long because I really want to get home and get started with cleaning because I want to be done before the kids get home from school. So let's go. This is my home management binder. If you guys want more details on this, just let me know in the comments below. Today is Monday, so Mondays are my weekly home blessing.
He used his Florentine connections to secure a commission in Bologna.
used Fabuloso in a long time. I've been using some Lysol stuff. I actually have been interested in, like, this is child-proof. I'm never gonna be able to open this. push down and turn. Okay, hold on. Push down and turn. Nope. Nice, push. It hurts my hand. Oh my god, I cut myself. I did it. I won. No, I didn't. Oh, I did. Yeah, I'm bleeding.
Trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Blow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy deliver like he heffin'. Core with digits, give him estimates. Somersaults for my